Welcome to a paradise unlike any other, where your dream vacation becomes a reality in this video. We invite you to explore vacation rentals that are nothing short of a tropical heaven. Strategically nestled near the thrilling Blizzard Beach water park and the enchanting world of Epcot. Picture this, waking up to the magic of Disney's Epcot, with its cultural wonders and imaginative experiences, just moments away from your doorstep. Feel the excitement as you splash into the watery wonderland of Blizzard Beach, where thrilling water rides, lazy rivers, and relaxation await all age.